These are like little probiotic gems. The beauty of this is that it's so easy. So many people this year had a terrible garlic crop. These have all been affected by rust, which is no big deal. They're just not going to last as long. Today, I'm just going to show you my easy hack that I use every year now because I can't possibly use all the garlic at the same time.
Where do you see that they're affected by what?
You'll see on the plants there's like orange rusty dots. When they're green, it shows much more. We're going to use a 3% brine solution. So I've got 30 grams of salt, I've got a litre of water, and I've got a jar, and I've got some things to weigh it down. All I'm doing is just breaking up the cloves. I'm not peeling the skins off them. And if an odd bit of dirt goes in there, it's not the end of the world. I hate peeling cloves of garlic, and especially when they're small, it's incredibly annoying to have to peel so many little cloves. So by fermenting them, the skins soften and I can just squeeze them out of the skins when I'm ready for cooking.
And how much do you fill in there?
So I'll fill the whole jar up, but for this demonstration we don't need to. I've just got some weights here, and I'm just going to top this up. Make sure that they're fully submerged. Pop the lid on. Anywhere from a few days to a week, just depending on how warm or cold it is, that these will start bubbling. Make sure you either use a fermenting jar with a valve on it, or I just burp mine. When they stop fizzing, then I pop them in the fridge and they will last indefinitely.